Hey guys, this is how to start investing money on Etoro. So guys, watch till the end as I show you a step-by-step guide, and I made this table over here so we can dive in deeper. So first one is just simply open an account, guys, and just simply create an Etoro account and just simply log in. And after that, guys, just simply complete the account verification process and just simply add funds to your account using your preferred payment method. And now, guys, once you have your account funded and it is all set up, next thing that you would do is just simply do some research stocks. So guys, just simply do a research and just simply select a stock or asset to trade to. So guys, just simply study the market on how is it going, and after that, just simply go ahead and place an order if you prefer to invest in that certain stock. And from there, guys, just simply place an order so you can start trading. So guys, remember that eToro is a user-friendly software and it is pretty much ideal for beginners. So guys, before investing, just simply ask yourself why, what, and how. So guys, make sure you have a solid plan and a solid strategy before you invest so you can avoid common mistakes. So guys, pretty much you will spend a lot of time doing research to minimize the risk of investing so you can perform much better. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.